Hi, my name is Nanette, Certified Master Herbalist and founder of aimtohealth.com. You know, we all are involved in this crisis with the coronavirus, and there are things that we're doing to secure supplies within our home, certain hygienic methods that we're implementing. And one of the things that I am trying to do with this series and want to share with all of you is how to build your immune system. So that is your personal defense system to help ward off the coronavirus, any other viruses and bacteria, and to strengthen your immune system. And if you should contract it, that your body is well equipped to help to recover from it. So all these things that I'm sharing with you are going to help to build a very dynamic defense system within your body. So this is part 3, and I'll leave links to part 1 and part 2 down below. So today what we're going to focus on are 3 herbs that I absolutely love, and I put them together. It's called my Miracle Mash. It's my little nickname for it, but each of the ingredients are so incredibly strong and powerful and potent. So I'm going to show you the first one here. These are garlic bulbs. Look at how beautiful these organic garlic bulbs are. They're just magnificent, big. They have a great fragrance and aroma to them, and they're beautiful. These, once you cut them, you're going to activate the allicin in them, and that is what makes them super powerful and super potent to as antibacterial and antiviral. And then the next thing that we have here is the ginger. Ginger is also amazing. Look how beautiful that is and fresh. And this has similar properties in that it is fantastic for antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that will help to fight infection in your body. And lastly, we have horseradish. This is so amazing. I think that a lot of people just walk past this root and don't really realize maybe what it is or how good it is for them. And it smells so incredible. So what I'm going to show you is something that I do is I make this into a puree in my blender, and I'll actually fill these little jars up here, and I'll keep them in the refrigerator or give them as gifts even. And you can ask any of my friends that I have over for dinner, no matter what it is that I'm making, I will always put one of these little jars out as kind of a condiment and to add to your food as a little dipping sauce. It is incredible. It tastes phenomenal. And you can add salt to it. You can add some pepper, whatever flavoring you want to make it more of your own. And what I actually add to kind of get it to gel all together is cold pressed olive oil. And that adds to the phenomenal flavor of this. But flavor aside, what it's going to be doing for your immune system is completely incredible. It really does kill the germs, the bacteria, viruses. I know that horseradish actually acts as a inflammation reducer for your respiratory system. So here we go. I'm going to put this all together. So I already peeled my garlic, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it up just a little bit before I put it in the blender. So, oh my goodness, the fragrance, the aroma coming from this garlic is incredible. And look how big these cloves are. So beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put them in to the blender. And then I'm going to take this, the ginger, and what I like to do is just use a peeler like this and kind of peel away at the outer skin. But to be honest with you, there's lots of nutrients in the skin itself. So even though I'm peeling away, I'm not taking every bit of it off, because I actually do like to include just a little bit of that skin in there. And I did wash this very, very well. So you can take all of it off if you want, or you can do like what I do, where you just kind of take some of it off. It's really up to you. Just make sure that you wash this really, really well. And oh my goodness, the aroma coming from this as well. When you blend this all together into this, your blender, this happens to be a, this is a Blendtec. And the Blendtec has some very strong horsepower, and that's why I like it. And as you know, I'm a certified master herbalist, and I love working with herbs. And herbs come in many forms. They'll come in roots, the flowers, the stems. And when it's the roots, I need something really, really powerful that is going to, I need a blender that's going to withstand those very hard roots that sometimes can be almost like little pebbles, so to speak. So I love my Blendtec, but whatever you have is going to work well for you. So I'm just going to cut this up just a little bit more, and I'm going to throw it in here. Now for this, the horseradish, again, just go ahead, take your peeler. So a little harder, the outer skin is a little harder, but that's okay. Anything worth having is worth working for, I always say. Oh my goodness, and the fragrance is just wonderful. And you can gauge, there's no exact amount for each one. It's really going to be up to you. This will add a little bit of spiciness to your miracle mash, and that's okay, because that just helps with all of your sinuses, and adds to the flavor, gives it more robustness. But again, you add according to what you like. So here now I'm going to add my olive oil. So we will pour. You can gauge this how much you would like. I like to add a bit of olive oil. That's squirting. There's no exact recipe. These are the primary ingredients that you're going to be adding and using. And a little secret ingredient I many times like to add to the mix is cayenne. I'll just go to a grocery store and I'll look for cayenne peppers and I'll add that. I like it very spicy, very hot. And the cayenne is wonderful. It increases stimulation of your circulatory system. It adds enzymes into your body, and it's really great as an antibacterial as well. So these are all fantastic ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and blend. Turn this on. And let's see what we have here. Okay, so, oh my goodness, the combined fragrance of all of this, the combined aroma is truly, truly amazing. And what I do now is I'm going to pour this into this little jar here. And this is my miracle mash. Not only does it smell incredible, it tastes incredible. This will last for up to 3 months in your refrigerator. You can serve this with just about any meal. Try to take some of this every day, whether you're adding it to some of your food, or just, I many times will take a little spoon of it. And it's a very strong immune system stimulant. So try this at home. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I would love to hear them. And I'm here to encourage you. I'm here to support you. We're all in this together. So share this with your friends, your family, your coworkers, your neighbors, and be sure to subscribe. And until next time, be safe and be well.